Learn and practice English, introducing others and highlighting connections. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to focus on introducing others and highlighting connections between people. This is an essential skill for conversational English, and practicing it will help you feel more confident in various social situations. Before we start with the exercises, let's quickly review the basic phrases used for introducing others. To introduce someone, we can use "I would like you to meet," "This is," or "Have you met?" To highlight connections between people, you can say something like, "John, this is Lisa. You both share a love for art." Remember, it's always polite to give some context or establish a connection when introducing two people. This gives them a starting point for their conversation. Now, we'll jump into our first listening exercise. You'll hear a short conversation where a person is introducing others and highlighting their connections. Listen carefully and try to identify the phrases used for introductions and connections. Note, you will hear the conversation twice. Try to absorb as much information as you can. Conversation: "Hello, Susan. I would like you to meet my friend, Carlos. Carlos, this is Susan. You both enjoy hiking, don't you?" After listening to the conversation, let's evaluate your understanding. Question: who were the people involved in the conversation, and what common interest do they share? Take a moment to write down your answer. Correct answer: the people involved in the conversation were Susan and Carlos. They both enjoy hiking. Now, it's time for you to practice what you've learned. Try to introduce two friends who share a common interest. Here's an example. Sarah, meet Jake. Jake, this is Sarah. You both are passionate about music. Remember, the goal is to practice the art of making connections between the people you introduce. It's all about giving them a common ground to start their conversation. And that's a wrap. I hope this session on introducing others and highlighting connections has been helpful. Keep practicing these phrases and make your introductions more engaging. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.